A lot of people get frustrated because they feel like SEO takes a long time. But what if I told you that you could grow your SEO faster? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 ways to grow your SEO faster in 2025. Let's dive into it. Item number 1, find a big section of the website to optimize dynamically. You're going to want to look for category pages, subcategory pages, product pages, local pages, any major segment of the website, even service pages. But when you can identify a trend in pages, then you can make changes to those pages in bulk, and you can optimize them dynamically. So you can come up with a set of rules for titles, descriptions, H1s, H2s, even some of the copy on the page, potentially some of the schema on the page, and more. And you can roll out dynamically, meaning through the code, changes and updates to all of those pages at once. Now, this is one of my favorite things to do when we get a brand new website is find opportunities for dynamic optimization, optimize a whole bunch of pages at once for more keywords that they should have been optimized for anyways. And when you do that, you see a big jump in rankings for that segment of the website. Item number 2, commit to a big content project. Now, this goes really well with the dynamic optimization that I just mentioned. If you can identify a whole set of pages to write content for or refresh, this can make a major impact. How about 100 blogs that are all from 2014 that if they were just up to date nowadays and had expertise and looked really amazing, they could rank well in Google? Think about all the traffic around that. How about 100 service pages that have never had content, or 100 local pages, or 100 e-commerce category pages that have never had optimized content? Investing in a big content project like that in a quarter always makes that next quarter look really green because traffic is up and to the right, and so are conversions. Item number 3, make a really big push around press-worthy items so that you can get more links, you can get more press mentions, and you can get more buzz and more referring site traffic all around the industry. To do this, you're going to want to reverse engineer what all the news sites are talking about, what the competitors are talking about, and what people are linking to and sharing the most, and create newsworthy stories from a seasonal perspective and blast out press releases and do outreach, coming up with 1 to 2 new stories a month and allocating major resources towards what we call digital PR. By doing this, you're going to get a lot of links, improve your domain authority, and you're going to probably see the overall website ranking better too, because Google and the internet is seeing all these links coming in and understanding that you're a great brand. Item number 4, fix a big technical issue on the website. One of the best things you can do is go inside of Google Search Console, and they're going to show you all the pages on your website and all the ones that are being indexed and all the ones that aren't being indexed. That's a great place to start. If you look at all these pages, maybe get rid of or block all the ones that aren't being indexed, and or decide if you want to optimize them with new content or dynamically like we talked about earlier. Bonus item there, I can't tell you how many times in the last year I've seen major benefits to client sites when they improve their page speed just by shifting hosting. Whether you're moving to Cloudflare, some type of Google CDN, Rocket.net, regardless, having your own dedicated hosting environment with a really great hosting provider and having a good content delivery network and good technical infrastructure and a really fast site is something that Google and users love. And item number 5, this is kind of the biggest thing going into 2025 for SEO. Focus on quality, experience, expertise, authority, and trust. Your blog posts need to be top quality. Your technical needs to be top quality. Your dynamic optimization and the content on those pages should be top quality. Upgrading these things all around is going to make a major difference overall, because nowadays, when it comes to search engine optimization, dwell time, conversion rates, click-through rates, how users and Google interpret the website from a quality perspective is making a huge difference. If you have any questions about SEO in 2025, leave a comment below. If you need any help, send us an email at opportunity@ignitevisibility.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.